I'm Michael Gock, and I'm here to show you how you can enhance meditation and solve some of the most important common problems that most people have. And that is, so many people are in their heads. They're thinking so much. What does this cause? It causes worry. It causes doubt. It can cause depression. It can cause an imbalance between your mind and your body, and that can affect everything that you do. Also, it can cause cold feet. Why? Because all the activity is up here and it needs to be integrated into your body, into your life. And acupressure can help you. The acupressure points releases the blockages so that energy can flow. When the energy flows, you can meditate. You can meditate easily, and it can be fulfilling and joyous, and it can be a whole other part of your life and enable you to obtain peace of mind. Let me just give you an example of what I mean. A lot of times, people are, wanting to meditate. Go ahead, try it right now. Just close your eyes, sit up in your chair, and just see how it feels to meditate. Well, of course, a meditation teacher is going to give you mantras or different chakras to focus on, or breath techniques, and all of that is good and important. But if the energy isn't flowing, or if the energy is, all and any of these meditations will be so much more fulfilling, rewarding, because the energy in your body is moving through it. So I would like to show you an acupressure point. It's right here. See, it's in between your nose. Do it with me, and your in your lip. And when you apply firm pressure to it, you'll feel a connection with your gum. And when you feel that connection and it feels like, wow, that really connects with me, then you've got the point. Okay, this point is good for hay fever. It's good for mind-body balance. So when you meditate, or before you meditate, or even before you eat, it's good for your mind and your body to be integrated. Let's say you're going to have you're working on something, or you're trying to work something out. Wouldn't it be better if your mind and body were integrated and supported and balanced? Of course it would be. So use this point. Either finger, press in firmly, take deep breaths. Now, you could do this wherever you are. And, I actually started like this. I'm using this knuckle here to press the point. Now, I'm actually using this part of the side of my knuckle right here. And to me, it just feels natural to press it that way. And I don't go around, this walking on the street like this. Of course not. But I might be sitting at a conference or in a meeting or a classroom, and I might just be resting like this. The thinker used these knuckles to press this point, which is just a little bit lower. There are so many acupressure points. Both of these actually support mind-body balance. So try it. Try holding the point, sit up straight, and take some slow, deep breaths. Do it with me. Inhale deeply and hold it for a second, and then exhale and relax. When you get more advanced, when you inhale through your nose if possible, your eyes are closed and you're pressing the point. Spine is straight, and then slowly exhale. So do that a few more times, inhaling slowly and deeply through your nose if possible as you press the point. And then afterwards, bring your hands one over the other and place them in your lap. Shake your shoulders out. You can let your thumbs touch. That's a nice That's a nice touch. It actually connects the lung meridian. Now, when these meridians, which house the circulation of the vital healing energy of the body, gets connected, your meditation just soars. It just takes off. It's heightened. So I think of the points as like a jump start to meditation in order to obtain peace of mind.